Okay, hi guys. Thank you for joining my live. And sorry that I couldn't able to do live for the past few months, but I can assure you from now on, I'm going to do at least one video for every single day, showing my analysis and how we can able to plan our trades and how we can able to trade. And as a reminder, I'm explaining you everything that I'm going to share from here on is just only my analysis and my plan, like how I wanted to trade in the future. And it is just for the educational purpose only, so that you can able to learn from me. And I'm doing this as a journaling of my trades and my analysis. So let's start. Let's start with the Bitcoin. So as you guys already know, because of the ongoing Iran and USA-Israel issue, there has been a lot of volatility in the market. But we can able to do how we can able to capture some of the opportunities. Let's see. Currently, I'm in a monthly view, so I want to show I have like a 30 and a 50 EMA. But let's even forget about the EMAs. Initially, let's see what we are looking at. So we have one top that has made in the February, December 2017, and one more in the 21, and one more in the November 21, and following we have in the January and in the October. So you can see the 3 weeks market has been rejected from this particular area, and then continuously for the past 6 months market has been in a downtrend. Before that, market has been in a continuous uptrend. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after reaching this five wave theory, market started to fall in the downtrend. So now we need to see how we can able to make a plan from this particular area and how we can able to make any opportunities that we can able to find in the way. Okay, first let's see from where, I'm sorry, first let's see from where the movement has started originally. So this is the peak which we have in the 2021, and from that peak it broke out and then it came down. So it initially reached out to the where it is initially started the momentum. So this is the place where initially started the momentum. So this is the fair value gap that it had. Let's draw the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap it had. So now after that the market has came down and filled the fair value gap. So I'm just marking it with 50%. So here market has started momentum from here. As you know, according to the fair value graphs, the first one is the red candle following the sudden momentum happened. This is where the fair value gap has started. So market has took the support from the previous highs and here. Next, similarly, if you consider the same point here, so the market has moved from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you take this into account, what is the previous low here? So from where it has started. So this is the point where you can able to mark it as on a monthly basis. But are you sure that market is going to reach here? Very unlikely and improbably. But so let's avoid this for now. So this is the previous highs that we have. Oh, let me see the live is going on, right? Yeah. So this is the previous high that we have in the market on a monthly basis, right? So this is where the market has given a strong buy signal. So let's mark it. We have a strong buy signal from here. So let's mark it. And we also know that if you can see from here, price reached here, and from here we had all of a sudden we had a strong momentum. So uh, what we can understand from this point is here that we have a very good support because the institutional traders or institutions has bought here and that drive the prices from here to all the way to 110K. That means there are a lot of pending orders or a lot of point of interest, higher time frame point of interest at this particular area. So we need to understand that whenever market price reaches to this particular area, that people are going to have a higher buying orders or buying interest. Okay. So right now we just point this area. Okay. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, so you can see that right before the market made a sharp move, you need to have a red candle. So here we have a red candle following by a sharp move, and following that we have another sharp move. So now we can understand that here we have a fair value gap. So this, you see these three candles here. So one, two, three. So these three candles shows a strong buy momentum. So here the market has made a very big move and it's been in consolidation for a while. After the consolidation, this is the equal lows. So market broke out of the equal lows, grabbed the liquidity that is present here, and then again moved up. So from this, what you can understand that there is a liquidity grab happened at this point. After the liquidity grab, what happened immediately? The change of character you can see here after the liquidity grab market moved here up. That means there's a change of character happen. After this change of character, can the price go immediately towards up? No. After the change of character, market will need to retest or need to grab more liquidity. So here you can see in the fair value grab market has grabbed. Let me remove this. So in the fair value grab market has captured more liquidity. So then market has made a boom. So now you can understand here market has made a equal lows and market immediately tapped all the liquidity present here with a strong pinpoint candle. Then it made a change of character, took the liquidity and went up. So this is a pattern that you need to understand how the market has grabbed the liquidity. Similarly, since this is the point where the strong momentum happened, this will be considered as a strong point of interest for the buyers. So we considered this and marked this particular area with green. So let's mark it correctly. Yeah. So here this is this tells us this is a strong buy zone. Let's put it as green. Why need to bother? So this shows us this is a strong buyers interested zone. So the market is hovering above like 10%, but as you can see over the past 3 weeks market has struggled here, but in this week market came down, immediately grabbed the liquidity in this particular point of interest and moved up. That shows that there is a lot of buyers here. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, what you can see, I see the equal lows. See, equal low, equal low, equal low. Market came here again, equal low. And similar type of situation that happened here some long time back, which I explained just now, is happened here. So here we know there is a liquidity. So market made equal lows, equal lows. Lot of people bought here, bought here. But what the market did immediately went down and grabbed the liquidity and went up. That means here market did a change of character. Equal lows, breakdown, grab the liquidity and change of character. But the market didn't went up. It is still hovering here. That means there is more liquidity to grab or we already have fair value gap here. that market is just taking support at the fair value gap. So here, I think you guys already know what is fair value gap, but if you guys don't know, the fair value gap is nothing but the space between the middle candle should be having a larger body, and with wicks or without wicks, anything should be fine. Whereas the previous two candles should be above and below, and the space between these two candles gives us a fair value gap. That means it's act as a support or point of buy interest. So there is two confirmations here. One, we have a lot of liquidity here. Market grabbed the liquidity, and after that it made a strong buy signal and formed a fair value gap. Market is now just taking or support or hovering at the fair value gap. That means this is a very good level to take a buy position if we see a green or a positive momentum from here. And we can also say that we see we see a descending triangle here, as you guys observe. So market rejected from this point, this point, this point, 3 point of rejections. So in case if we have a very good breakout from this particular point and take a support or hover above here, there is a really good position to buy, and we have a stop loss at a very close point. Okay, so now we know our intention is to buy from here once the market break of this particular area, or you can able to take a short some position now, and you can hold it, but you can add it more once after the market broke this particular area. Okay, now let's see. So where right now you understood that our plan is to go for a buy side. But where should I close my position, or where should I book the profits is the major question that we have. So in order to understand that, you need to see from where there is been a strong sell liquidity, where the price has been pushed down strongly. So on the daily time frame, you can see here the market reached here and formed green candle, but immediately after the green candle, consecutive red candles has been formed. That means here we have a strong seller liquidity. So here we have a strong sell side liquidity. Again, we are going to refine these positions by going to smaller time frames, but initially I'm drawing this in the larger time frame. And here also, as you can see, we have a strong sell side liquidity, a strong candle. Okay, now let's go to the smaller time frame and let's see if our analysis is correct or not. See, the market has been rejected from this point, from here. Sorry, let's, okay. So the market has rejected from here, from here, from here, 3 points rejected, and it is just at the fair value gap. In case it takes an actual support, then we can enter the position over here, and after the breakout, and we can have a stop loss over here, and we can have our target position of till here. And how much percentage that gives us? That gives us 15%. That is a pretty good position, I would say. So let's just go here and let's see one more thing. Okay, so why did I mention there is a sell liquidity here but not any other place here? So you see there has been a continuous position of red candles happened from this particular point of interest till here. So why did it happen? Because you see the market moved till here, it is just hovering and formed a strong sell candle. So immediately after forming the sell candle, the market tried to push up, but still it failed. And here it is continuously pushed to downside. That means we can say there are a lot of resting sell orders present at this particular position. So whenever market reach to this particular position, it is for sure going to face the sell pressure. So that is the reason we need to have our profit booking or closing our position completely at this particular level. So let's see if our analogy is correct. Let's just adjust the position. So here, now two things. One, we have our liquidity at this particular point, and two, we have one more liquidity at this particular point. So it's better to close the position at this particular point rather than waiting towards the whole position, because what might happen is, let me show you. So the price might break here and retest at this point, and slightly, slowly the might here, and without going to till 80,000, the what happens is the price might happen like this. It will go here and will continuously take steps and go here and again come back here, and then it might go here. So that is the reason you should not wait to book your profit till the price reaches to the whole level. It is always important to book the consecutive profits at smaller levels and then add positions accordingly. That will help you in building your capital. So this is our short-term plan. And as you can see, there is one more liquidity level also on the 4 hours time frame. If you can go, there is one more liquidity level that is at here. But let's go even smaller at a 1 hour time frame. What is happening at a 1 hour time frame? Let's see. See, this is a strong level sell candle, and this happened to be a change of character because market moved here, change of character. Now price should come here or a little bit below T here, and then it should go up. That validates the change of character, and if it breaks this particular level, that is a break of structure. So then you can able to enter 100%. And this also shows you some kind of double structure also. Okay, so that is our plan in the BTC for the tomorrow. And as you can see, this has been a strong sell pressure at this particular level also. So I would consider going here even before going to the top. Okay, so this is the BTC analysis for tomorrow and for the rest of the week, and let's see how it performs. In this case, there might be one more thing also that might happen. So the price might want to tap one more here, and then it will continue to towards upside, because as we know that it formed like a double bottom and multiple people wanted to take the positions here. So let's wait, because the price might come here suddenly. Since what happened here, the strong candle that might also form, and then the market is non-stop, it can might go to towards the upside. So let's wait till the confirmation and enter the trade, so that our stop loss are safe and they are not triggered. So what is our plan? Let me show you. The long position for now would be, so this would be the actual plan. Wait till in my position you can enter some positions here, but the actual safer side would be, once price breaks this, you can enter here with this particular stop loss, and you can for sure can able to carry the trade till 75,000. So that would give you like uh, what is the risk to reward? You can carrying like a 2.5 2.35 risk to reward. And if you want to enter small portion of the trades here, then you can better enter here, but your stop loss should be here, and your profit target should be 76,000 euros. $76,000. I'm sorry. So this is our trade.